So we'll let that cool for a little bit, then we'll start making our sweet heat barbecue sauce. What time is it? It's time to eat. Come on. Welcome to our camp. This is Camp Cleaver. My name is Don Cleaver. You can call me Mr. Don. And today we're going to make a sweet heat barbecue chopped pork sandwiches. We're up here in the high mountains of Rocky Mountains, and today we're going to go on an ATV and a motorcycle ride. And for lunch, we're going to bring with us some pork sandwiches. So we're going to get that cooking now and have it ready to go. And once the meat is done and ready to go, then we'll continue this and cook the rest of our pork sandwich mix. All right, we're back making our sweet heat barbecue chopped pork sandwiches. You can hear the motorcycles in the background. We're up here in Taylor Park area in Colorado, and that's where we're going to be doing over lunch, is going on a ride, and that's where we're making our barbecue pork sandwiches for our trip. Okay, so first thing we do is 1 cup of ketchup. For 1 cup of tomato sauce, that's about half of that.
This is still all dirty.
3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Make sure these are tablespoons. 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. 1,
And then the silverware.
and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. 2 tablespoons of hot sauce. We're using paste for this one. That's what I got. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 2 teaspoons of liquid smoke. 1 teaspoon of paprika. And 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. There we go. We're going to mix all that together. Cover. Cook that for 10 minutes while we're Alrighty, this is our barbecue sauce and our pork, and I say we just break out the buns at lunchtime and put it all together, and we'll have our pork sandwich. Alright, well again, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and if you can, leave a comment and see how we're doing. And just like Kent Rollins does, we like to tip our hat to our veterans and help keep this country safe, and keep that flag flying over our campsite here. So, thank you for watching, and God bless.